How to use voice navigation in Waze. First, open the Waze app and make sure your GPS or location is turned on. Tap on three line at the top left corner, then go to Settings. In Settings, scroll down and tap Voice and Sound. This is where you can manage all voice navigations option. Choose your voice. Tap Waze Voice. You will see multiple voice. Tap on to select it. Some voice even have fun personalities. Make sure voice direction is toggled on. You can also adjust the volume here or choose alert only if you don't want constant navigation prompts. Now enter your destination and tap Go. Waze will now give you turn by turn voice direction. You can follow along while keeping your eyes on the road. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.